Welcome to our comprehensive guide on how to disable push notifications in X. If you want to take control of your notification settings and minimize distractions, you've come to the right place. In this video, we'll walk you through the step-by-step process. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the X app on your device. Once the app is open, you'll be directed to the main screen. Step 2. Locate the account icon, usually positioned in the top right corner of the screen. Tap on it to access your account settings. Step 3. In the Account Settings menu, tap on Settings and Support. This action will open a drawer with additional options. Step 4. From the drawer, find and tap on Setting and Privacy. This will take you to a new screen where you can manage various settings. Step 5. On the new screen, tap on Notifications and then tap on Preferences. This is where you can customize your notification settings. Step 6. Tap on Push Notifications. This will allow you to adjust the settings specifically for push notifications. Step 7. Disable push notifications by toggling the switch or tapping on the option in the top right corner. This will turn off push notifications for X. Congratulations! You have successfully disabled push notifications in X, giving you more control over your app experience and minimizing interruptions. Thank you for watching, and may your X experience be distraction-free.